For the past 5 years, Kansas City Laser-like Lipo has been ranked one of the top 10 weight loss clinics in the country. Dr. Jeremy Laundrie, president of KC Laser-like Lipo, has some help to educate us on their weight loss technology. Dr. Jeremy, I understand that your laser-like lipo technology is totally non-invasive. How does it work?
So if you compare it to something more invasive like liposuction, you're physically going in there, you're sucking fat out of the body. There's downtime associated with that. There's a lot of pain associated with it. But even if you compare it to cool sculpting, it is non-invasive, but you are freezing fat cells. So there's some pain associated with it. And then it takes like 2 to 3 months to see any results from that one cool sculpting session. In my clinical opinion, Slim Sculpt is the best that's out there. It does 360 coverage, hits every square inch of the body. I'm gonna have Brecken demonstrate how this works. Go ahead and turn this on. And I wanna be really clear, we do not treat kids in our practice. You have to be at least 18 years old. I'm not doing harm to my child. Actually, to get a treatment, the skin has to be exposed. But what we do is we then bring the canopy down and we'll have the patient lay here for usually 15 to 20 minutes. Now, it only takes 7 minutes for that fat drainage, but when we're going after cellulite reduction, fine lines, wrinkles, chronic pain, inflammation, it's really important that we have the patient lay here for 15 to 20 minutes and you don't do anything. You just lay there, hold still, take a nap, and then it automatically shuts off. And the only thing you really feel with this, it's just the warmth from the light. It feels like an electric blanket, but once it shuts off, we have the patient go hop on one of our whole body vibration platforms, and then they'll stand there and do that for 10 minutes to get that lymphatic system going, and that's it. And the results stay off as long as you keep up that healthy lifestyle.
And so how important is diet and exercise when it comes to patients doing the treatments in your clinic?
So it's a great question. Diet and exercise, no matter what procedure that you do, whether it's laser lipo, if it's liposuction, if it's cool sculpting, if it's bariatric surgery, anything you can do outside of the clinic or outside the hospital, you're going to get faster results. If you're somebody who's living on processed foods, you're just going to have a really hard time losing weight. But if you can eat more real food that walked on the ground, grew from the ground, came from the ocean, if you can focus on more of those foods, the weight's going to come off faster. And then when it comes to exercise, you can go on a walk around the neighborhood, anything to get that lymphatic system going, get that heart rate up, you're going to see faster fat loss. We do have awesome nutritional programs here in the clinic. On average, over the course of 6 weeks, a patient will see 15 to 25 pounds of fat loss. Over the course of 12 weeks, anywhere from 30 to 50 pounds of fat loss. And you can go to our website, click on success stories, and see all the video testimonials on there from our patients to get a good idea for how those programs work.
You have an incredible offer for those that are watching today that is going to go extremely fast. Please tell us about it.
This is for the first 67 people. So if you call 1-800-WEIGHT-LOSS or go to our website, kclaserlipo.com. You can also go to kclaserlikelipo.com. Fill out the contest form at the top of the page. We're going to give you 2 Slim Sculpt medical bed treatments. So you can come in to see that it actually works. And then we'll do a consultation with either myself or my colleague, Dr. Joseph Anderson, where we can maybe answer some of the questions on why keto didn't work for you or why intermittent fasting hasn't worked for you. There's usually some simple underlying reasons that can be addressed, and you can start losing the weight much faster at that point. So again, no obligation. It's $79 for the 2 treatments. It's risk-free. We're in Olathe, Kansas. And if you go to our website, the information's on there. But again, kclaserlipo.com or 1-800-WEIGHT-LOSS.
Thanks so much, Dr. Jeremy. Gina, over to you.